The average IQ of 3 people is 108. If 2 of these people each has an IQ of 107, what is the IQ of a third person? So what we have given? We have given that we have 3 people. What else? The average is 108. Let me write this. What we have given? We have 3 people. The average, let's put A, is equal 108. And we have that 2 of these people have 107 IQ, and we have to find the third person. So if, for example, we have A, it's the first person, B, second person, and C, third person. So we have given average. So what is average? How we find the average? A is equal, in numerator we have to add our, in this example, IQ of these 3 people. So we have A plus B plus C. Average of these 3 people. Average of the first person, we can write 2 of these people each has IQ of 107. So we can write this is 107. The second is also 107. And C, the third person, IQ is unknown. So in numerator we add IQ of these 3 people, and in denominator we have number of people. Number of how many people we have here? 3. So we divide by 3. So now we will substitute variables by the given number. A, we have that this is 108. A, capital A is 107. B is 107. C is our unknown. We have to find. C. So plus C over 3. So first, to reduce this fraction, I will multiply both sides by 3. We have equation with one unknown only, so we can solve this. And now we have 3 times 108. This is 324. This is equal 107 plus 107 plus C. So we have 324 is equal to 14 plus C. We need to find C. So I will move 214 to the left side. So we have 324 minus 214. This is equal C. When we move to the other side, we need to change the sign. When we don't have sign, it's always positive, so we change to negative. So we had that C is equal 324 minus 214 is 110. So we found IQ of third person. This is my solution.